Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to another video. Please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit that notification bell so you will be updated on all my future content. So this video is going to be a brief review of two-digit subtraction with regrouping. As I've said on previous videos, my content ranges from preschool students to students in 8th grade, so I have a wide variety of content on my channel, and I'll never steer students away from going back to the fundamentals. It's important to learn the fundamentals, master the fundamentals, because everything builds off of the fundamentals. So subtraction with regrouping is a fundamental skill, and I'm always going to feel the need to review how to solve those types of problems. So, for subtraction, we regroup whenever the bottom digit is bigger than the top digit. As you can see in the ones place, 9 is bigger than 0. You cannot start out with 0 and take away 9. So what we need to do is we need to take a 10 from the tens place and add it to the ones place. So the 7 is going to become a 6, and the 0 is going to become a 10. Now from there, we can subtract. 10 minus 9 equals 1. 6 minus 5 also equals 1. And our answer is 11. 70 minus 59 equals 11. All right, next problem. 83 minus 48. So again, we regroup whenever there's a bottom digit that is bigger than the top digit. You cannot start out with 3 and take away 8. You'll be in the negatives, so you have to add a 10. You got to take a 10 from the tens place and add it to the ones place. So the 8's going to become a 7, and the 3 is going to become a 13. Basically, you're just crossing out this number, rewriting it with a 1 in front of it. So now, 13 minus 8 equals 5. 7 minus 4 equals 3. And we have our final answer. 83 minus 48 equals 35. All right, next example. Probably going to do 5 examples before the video is done. Shout out to everybody tuning in. Please hit that like button. I appreciate you. $74 minus 27. So again, bottom digit's bigger than the top. You can't start out with 4 and take away 7. So we take a 10 from the tens place. The 7 becomes a 6. The 4 becomes a 14. 14 minus 7 equals 7. 6 minus 2 equals 4. And we have our final answer. 74 minus 27 equals 47. All right, 62 minus 38. Next problem. So the bottom digit is bigger. 8 is bigger than 2. You cannot start out with 2 and take away 8. So we have to take a 10 from the tens place, add it to the ones place. 6 becomes a 5. The 2 becomes a 12. And now we subtract. 12 minus 8 equals 4. 5 minus 3 equals 2. And we have our final answer. 62 minus 38 equals 24. All right, example number 5. 37 minus 29. So you can't start out with 7 and take away 9, so you have to take a 10 from the tens place. The 3 is going to become a 2. The 7 is going to become a 17. And now from there, we subtract. 17 minus 9 equals 8. 2 minus 2 equals 0. You could put a 0 there, or you could just leave it blank. Either way, doesn't change the answer. The answer is 8. 37 minus 29 equals 8. I was going to stop at 5, but I figured why not do a couple more, right? $48 minus 29. So the bottom digit is bigger. That means regrouping is needed. You cannot start out with 8 and take away 9. So we're going to take a 10 from the tens place. The 4 is going to become a 3. The 8 is going to become an 18. Now let's say you don't know in your head what 18 minus 9 is. I do, but let's say if you're watching, if you're new to this, you don't. I'm going to show you a strategy for how to figure that out if you're not able to do it in your head. Now, the reason I've gone so far in the video without showing the strategy is because I encourage everybody to really get your addition and subtraction fluency down, memorized. Math is a lot easier once you have these concepts memorized. So I don't want you to be harping on this strategy too much, but it is available if this is something you're currently working on in school and you're not able to add or subtract in your head. So what you can do is you can make 18 circles and cross out 9 and count how many are left. So I'm going to make 18 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. And now I'm going to cross out 9 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And now I'm going to count how many are left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 18 minus 9 equals 9. Now going over the tens place. 3 minus 2 equals 1. And we have our final answer, 48 minus 29 equals 19. Going to go to example 7. Again, even though this strategy is available, I strongly recommend that you review those flashcards. Get fluent with your addition and subtraction of 1 and 2 digit numbers. You want to get to a point where you don't have to use that strategy and it is instant. $51 minus 19. All right. Example 7. So again, you can't start out with 1 and take away 9, so we have to take a 10 from the tens place. The 5 is going to become a 4. The 1 is going to become an 11. Now we go to the ones place. 11 minus 9 equals 2. 4 minus 1 equals 3. And we have our final answer. 51 minus 19 equals 32. All right, final problem of the video. 71 minus 38. So we can't start out with 1 and take away 8, so we take a 10 from the tens place. The 7 is going to become a 6. The 1 is going to become an 11. 11 minus 9 equals 3. 6 minus 3 equals 3. And our final answer is 33. 71 minus 38 equals 33. That is my video for today. Thank you so much for tuning in. Leave a comment. Let me know what you thought of the video. And if there's an area of math or reading you're having difficulty with, put that in the comments and I will do a future video on that skill. Until next time, this is Mr. Camilleri signing off.